and welcome to our garden. This year's garden so far is a success. Now, let's start from the beginning. To start this process, first, we had to get seeds for our favorite vegetables. Then we accelerated the process by planting the seeds in these pods. And we gave them plenty of water, sunlight. We made sure to position the garden beds in a location in our garden that would receive a lot of sunlight. And the soil that we chose is very rich in nutrients. We actually added peat moss to it to make sure that the plants get all the nourishment that they need. If you plan on starting your own garden, there's some things you gotta consider. First thing is, of course, choosing a suitable location. Find a place that gets adequate sunlight, and then you gotta get good soil drainage as well. When it comes to soil, it's best to buy one that has plenty of nourishment. Ours was a combination of soil with peat moss. Another thing that needs to be given much thought is your selection of plants. Decide what kind of plants you want, whether you want vegetables, fruit, herbs, and then also consider the climate, personal preferences as far as do you want to separate them, which is probably best. And then once you start planting them, make sure you dig your holes deep and that ensuring the roots are well covered with the soil, and water them immediately after planting. And then you could also give them mulch. Now here we actually gave them hay, which helps prevent weeds from popping up. And as you can see, our garden so far is a success, and it's been less than a month. All right, happy gardening, everyone.